Hi everyone, this is Jamie from Nexus VA, and today I'm going to walk you through getting your WordPress website set up and completely GDPR compliant in under 10 minutes, which is awesome. So in case you're not aware, GDPR went into effect on May 25th of 2018, and the majority of sites, even in the European Union, are not GDPR compliant yet. So this is a problem, mostly because, especially in the European Union, there is a clear path to fines being levied upon businesses who are not protecting their users' data. It doesn't matter how the data was acquired, they are not protecting it sufficiently according to GDPR regulations, and they can be fined up to 20 million euros, which is a frightening number. I don't believe that they would levy those fines against a small business, but who wants to have fines levied, period, when you can easily take care of your GDPR issues on your website with a simple plugin. So my favorite, the one that I've been using, is the Wapika suite of products, and they now have a legal pages plugin where you can simply download and then install it on your website and literally be up and running in like 10 minutes with a GDPR compliant privacy policy. I do recommend that you go through and look over all of the GDPR regulations because, like I said, it doesn't just apply to websites. It also applies to collecting personal identifying information from people offline. So if you, for example, do a networking event where you collect people's business cards, you actually have to protect those too. It's kind of in depth, and I don't know how they would regulate that, but I do know that if you are collecting information from your customers or clients, you need to be protecting it in order to protect yourself from GDPR. Okay, so here we are. I have downloaded the Legal Pages plugin from Wapika Club's website. I'm a member. I highly recommend it. I use their templates. I use a bunch of their plugins. They have really great like auction plugins, newsletter sign up plugins. They have tons of great stuff there, so I highly recommend them. But I really, really, really recommend the WordPress Legal Pages plugin from Wapika, and I'm going to include the link in the description as well, so that you can sign up for Wapika Club, download the plugin, upload it, and get compliant. So once you've uploaded it, it will appear here in the back office part of WordPress under Legal Pages, and you'll fill out all your personal business information and then go down here and click here to create legal pages. And you'll see there's a huge amount of templates that you can select from. Terms, a forced agreement, terms of use. A forced agreement means it's going to pop up like they have to sign it in order to use your website. Terms of use, California privacy rights, privacy policy, and this is what we're going to be working on. And a bunch of other disclaimers, linking policies, refund policies, which are great if you have a business that sells physical products or products that can be returned or refunded, anti-spam, FTC statements, medical disclaimers, etc., etc. So the first thing you'll do is click on which template you want to edit. We're going to click on privacy policy. And then you're going to go to the type of site that you're putting it on. And Nexus VA is a business website technically with products. So we're going to click on that. Oops. Go back here. Privacy policy. I went out of order. I put the cart before the horse. So you will see that it has a full privacy policy. It updates automatically with the information that you put in on that first screen, your identifiable information. So it's like plug and play, super simple, and it goes through all the GDPR requirements, their summary of rights, right to access, to rectification, erasure, restrict processing, object to processing, everything that GDPR requires. And then it will also discuss links to that. Any link that somebody clicks on your website is going to take them somewhere else with somebody that has a different set of policies, and it's their responsibility to look into those policies and make sure that they are GDPR compliant. And you click publish. And that's it. And your page goes right into your page's menu. So all you really have to do is go to your menu settings, and wherever you place the menu on your website is where that privacy policy would show up. You can make one main page and fill out all of these policies and nest them under one main page. But I do recommend that you have a privacy policy, especially for GDPR, in your main menu or your footer menu, so that when people are visiting your website, bam, it's right there. Also recommended, you could use a short code or create a pop-up when somebody goes to a page where there is a form for them to fill out. You want to create the pop-up so that they can click on that pop-up with your privacy policy before they actually fill out the form. So that's how you get your website GDPR compliant in under 10 minutes. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe. If you're looking for a virtual assistant to hire, or you want to hire a Nexus VA virtual assistant, we are happy to help you. Just send us an email at help@nexusva.com, and I will be sure to get in contact with you and help you find a great virtual assistant, or one that can even help you install this plugin and set it up on your website. Have a great day.